What are we doing?
Going camping!
Going camping! What's in there? Boom. Plymouth Rock. Whoosh. What train? Good job, go Bethany, push it over. Oh, good job. Are you gonna drive it? All right, let's go. Come on. Oh, you're not supposed to climb it.
You gave me all that you could offer.
Yeehaw.
Oh, I took that and a little more. You chewed me up and then the scoffer. You took the keys and cut the cord.
Daddy, you want with a stick?
Well, I fell for everything you said. But this rusty gold won't pay my debt. No, I lusted after your success, but ended broken here instead. Oh my, yeah. Who's this man who paid my debt? Open up my eyes. You're the man that cries, the only hope for sinners in this life. Whoa, open up my heart. You're the light in darkness. Cannot comprehend this God and man. But you're the rock on which I stand.
Pretty good hike. Go.
Why can I see your breath, Daddy?
The trail.
My mind was twisted up and skewed.
Put anymore? Good. Wait, stop.
My heart was split right into two. My soul was burned down and blue. My strength was gone outside of you. That's when you said to me, but son, I reckon you're dead beat. You burn the soul I can't relieve. Whoa, so on that dark night I believe. Oh my, yeah. Who's this man who paid my debt? Open up my eyes. You're the man that cries, the only hope for sinners in this life. Whoa, open up my heart. You're the light in darkness. Cannot comprehend this God and man. But you're the rock on which I stand. I'm the section.
We have a real life.
Whose mind's addicted and unsure. I'm the hater of your word.
When I jump on
One
the
spit at you.
And look, there's a
I'm the lazy
extra.
one inside. Who's wasted years of his own life. I'm the sinner full of pride. Who's angry at his own dear wife. I'm the liar.
I'm not sure this is how swings are supposed to
I'm the
work.
wretched man beneath. I'm the murderer of man.
Look back
I'm the
at it.
hater of
Look
your
back at each
hand.
mouth.
God, I hate stones at Christians. I forsook you for that gold, yet the master gave tenfold. I deserve the highest flame, yet the Father called my name. I'm the one whom you should kill, yet for me your blood was spilled. I'm the one who nailed you there.
Say cheese!
Get you there. I'm the one who has rebelled, yet you saved my soul from hell. Who's this man who paid? Open up my eyes. You're the man, the Christ, the only hope for sinners in these times. Whoa, open up my heart. You're the
Hey, turn around, Ellie. Going in your birthday video.
You gave me all that you could give.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ died.
You're good.